All right, guys, now that we have the machine on the table, let's hook it up to the Wi-Fi. Now that we got the power plug in the back, we have our on-off switch right over here. It is on a magnet, which you can put it anywhere on the machine. I like to put it in the front here. Something happened, I can just hit the switch right away. To turn on the machine is rotate clockwise. Okay, to turn it on. To turn it off, press the button. Machine's on, let's put a glass plate in there. Put that in, and lock it back with these thumb screws. Lock that in there. All right. Okay, now the machine's on, let's connect to it. Right, you want to go to your Wi-Fi section down here, look for the 22 IDEX, and then connect to it. Password for this one is going to be 1 through 0. All right, now that the machine is connected, open your web browser, go up here, type in 192.168.0.1, enter. And what it's going to do is allow you to control the machine. You're going to get into the Duet 2 interface over here. It's connecting. All right, the machine is connected. Let's home the machine for the very first time. All right, it'll be at top left here. It said home all. Click on that. And here we go. All right, guys, and in this next step, we're going to be connecting your 22 IDEX to your local Wi-Fi network. And to do that is on the left-hand side here under console, click on that. Down here, type in M587 space S, open quotation, and your SSID. R is going to be Vision Minor, so capital V. Now, any lowercase that you have on there, you got to put this apostrophe on there. So apostrophe I, O-N, space, capital, I-N-E-R, close quotation, space, and then password. So capital P, open quotation, same thing. If you have a lowercase, you want to put that apostrophe in front of it. All right, close quotation, and we're going to hit enter. There you go. And it's saved. It's green here. If it's red, it's not correct. If it's green or blue, it's good to go. All right. And then we're going to go back to our dashboard. Go to System, Settings, Wi-Fi, and then Wi-Fi Client Mode right here. Click on that, and then OK it. Okay. Now machine is going to disconnect. Okay. There it goes. Go back to your Wi-Fi network. So R is already automatic. Went back to our Vision Minor. It's connected. Use your micro USB. Connect your laptop to the main board on the machine, which is located on the back left panel, right over here. The micro USB is next to the micro SD card slot on the main board. Now that's connected. Go over here, and then either you're going to use YAT, Y-A-T, or Pronto Face. I'm going to use Pronto Face. Click on that, open up the program, and then connect to the terminal. Top left here, connect. It said printer is now online. It's a good sign. All right, let's see where the state of this machine is. Type M552S0 to put the Wi-Fi in idle mode, and then type M552S1 to put the Wi-Fi in client mode. Then wait 5 to 10 seconds. It's going to give you an IP address, and you want to remember these IP numbers. Open back up the web browser, and you're gonna type in that number. Awesome. Now we're in the machine. Now let's assign a steady Wi-Fi connection. You're gonna do the same thing. Go to console, down here, type in the same thing, M587 space S, open quotation, your SSID, P for password, open. And then on the last part here is gonna be your IP address, the one that you have on your web browser. It's gonna be I, no quotation on this one. 192.168.6.195. Okay, make sure these numbers are correct. Okay, double check them. They're good. Send it. Okay, it's remembered. And now let's test it. Go ahead and shut off the machine. Wait about 5 seconds. Now the machine is going to disconnect. Let's turn it back on. Now, just a little tip. If you don't want to plug your machine to your computer, you can use your phone and then use IP scanner on your phone to locate the IP of the machine. All right, and that's how you connect your 22 IDEX to your local Wi-Fi network. On the next video, we're going to show you how to do the X and Y and Z calibration. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.